So today I want to take you through this Lano battery charger. So the nice thing is the battery charger actually has a built-in battery that's 12,400 mAh. It also has 20-watt fast charging. Let me pull it out of the box to show you what's included. So here's the unit itself. It does work with the Sony A7 series, which is really lovely. So if you have those cameras, it works for that. Let's open everything up. It's in the box. So in these brown packages here, there are, let's see. All right, so in here, it comes with 2 of the batteries for the Sony cameras. So it works with a lot of other Sony cameras too, but it does work with the A7R series, which is really nice. So you have 2 of these batteries. These batteries are actually quite nice, and they last quite a while for the Sony cameras when you're shooting photos. A little bit less when you're shooting video, but still they last quite a long time. And then it comes with a little manual. It comes with a USB-C to USB-C cable, and then a nice little Lano bag. And then on here, I'll unwrap the plastic and show you. So because it has a built-in battery on this unit itself, you're actually able to recharge it and then power off this piece itself to charge your phone or anything else via the USB-C on the side. So you have an input and output on both. And then the batteries, you just pop this up, then both batteries fit in here. So you have the ability to put 2 batteries in at once. And then you can see you have a smart display right here on the front, which shows you your charge level of the batteries and the device if you change the mode. So overall, it's a really compact option if you're looking for something like this to charge your camera gear, your batteries, or your phone on the go. It does weigh a bit because obviously there's a battery in this device and then 2 more inside once you have it loaded. But honestly, it's pretty portable and still a great thing to have in your camera bag if you're traveling around and need some extra juice. So if you're looking for something like this, I highly suggest you check it out.